Hey friends, if you wish to set or change the Microsoft Edge homepage on your Windows computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolution. So open Microsoft Edge, click on these three dots at the top right corner and then select settings. Go to the appearance tab on the list on the left hand side. Now in the right pane, scroll down, scroll down, scroll down till the section you find where it says select which buttons to show on the toolbar. There's something called as home button. It should be on. If it's off, then you won't see the home button here. I also have a separate video on this. Click on set button URL. Now by default it is new tab, but you can change it to something else like let's say google.com. Okay, and then click on save. And now whenever you click on the home button, it will take you to google.com. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. And if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.